Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a drone tour of the alignment re the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. This is where this is out by Mezpa Gardens, where the existing road joins the new road that was built going through the hills. So to the right is a new road that was built going through the hills. That new road cuts out the winding road, and straight ahead now, that's the old road. So if you went where you see that white car parked and you went straight there, you would go on the old winding road that was a major deterrent for people going to St. Thomas. So at the bottom of the screen now is the existing roadway, but when it gets to where that white car is, you continue or you keep right, and that's the new road, the highway that was built. So this section was confusing a few people because it didn't look like it lined up, the Jersey barriers. But over the last 2 weeks, China Harbour Engineering Company has done a lot of work out here. So you can see the Jersey barriers are being put in now, and it's very clear that the road lines up. So the alignment issue has been solved for lining up the Jersey barriers. On the left, where you see those cars traveling, that was actually not the road. It was dirt, and whatever structures were there, they had to remove it and dump it up to build a road there. So once that was done, it became a lot clearer what was going on. If you look at some of the old videos, you will see what it looked like before they did the work out here. Now, as to why it took them so long to do the work, I'm not sure, but up until about 2-3 weeks ago, this area looked completely different. Now I think they have some more work left to be done, because as you can see you can see the Jersey barrier in the middle. On the right, you can easily get 2 lanes, but on the left now, where that bus is, I'm not sure what the plan is for there, because you don't have enough space for 2 lanes, so some more work has to be done there. But we're just giving you an aerial or a drone view of what this area looks like. Now 2 lanes on this highway, the plan is to get 2 lanes open between Harborview and Yalos by the end of August, which is a few days from now, less than a week. And so a lot of work needs to be done out here. We'll keep you guys updated if they are going to make that deadline to get 2 lanes finished between Harborview and Yalos. And it's a 4-lane highway between Harborview and Yalos. The existing road in most cases was upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. But in 2 sections, a new road was built because it just wasn't feasible to use the existing roadway, the alignment of the existing roadway. And out here is one of those 2 sections where the new road was built. So you had to join the existing road that's upgraded to 4 lanes to the new road that was built going through the hills. So that's what's going on out here. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. We will keep you updated on the progress of this area, and we'll try and find out what the plan is for widening that lane on the 2 lanes on the left of the Jersey barrier, because as you can see, this truck coming up now, it's going to cause a problem. You're not going to be able to get, the truck is going to render the road into a single lane because there just is not enough space. But the good thing is the Jersey barriers are going in and they are lined up perfectly. We will also keep you updated as to whether they're going to have a break in the Jersey barrier, so that residents can access the community to the right. I will just give it some time for them to finish putting in the Jersey barrier, and then we'll get a better idea as to what's going on. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.